and it's very creamy and nice. It is. Please try it at home. Hey my friend, welcome to another video. And in today's video guys, I am going to be making a Guinness punch. So as you can see, I am preparing my ingredients. I'm doing a little resetting before I actually made the punch. Okay, so I'll be using Guinness, Supligen, condensed milk, vanilla, nutmeg, and sweet cinnamon. Yeah, that's what I'm going to use. I wanted to use oats, but I didn't get to purchase the oats, so I'll leave the oats out. So while I'm making the prep for to do the Guinness punch, this is a very favorite Jamaican energy booster. So this energy drink in Jamaica is a drink that we sort of made when we sort of need to power up on some energy. And so I'm in England and I decided that today, I need to do this because I'm doing a project that is taking a lot of my energy and I need to reset. So that's what I'm doing. So anyway, guys, I want to stop by to say thank you so much for sticking and staying. And also thank you guys for liking, viewing, and also for the new subscribers. I'm welcoming you guys to E&J Lifestyle Farm. We do the work, only watch the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe bell. Don't forget to tell your family and your friends to come on over and be a part of the family. Don't forget to leave me a comment so I can post it in the next video because I love hearing from you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. Stick and stay and watch to the end, okay? You'll see me drinking this drink that I'm going to make, okay? So stick and stay, don't go away, and I wish you all the best for today. If you want this energy drink, just watch the video and try it at home and let me know. Okay, see you in the next segment of the video. Keep watching. Hit that like button right now. Hey my friend, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed watching me hanging up the clothes. Off-grid lifestyle, okay? Anyway, I'm going to make a Guinness punch. So I'll be using Guinness, put a bit of vanilla in, and Supligen. You might have seen me opening the milk. It's condensed milk, so I'm going to put a bit of condensed milk in. I'm going to add nutmeg in it, and then I'm going to have a drink. I was meant to put some oats in it, but I couldn't find the oats and I didn't pop into the supermarket. So we're going to use these 4 ingredients with a bit of nutmeg and we're going to drink it. So I'm going to stick and stay and don't go away. Let's make this punch. Guinness punch. Okay, my folks, so I'm going to be using the blender to make this punch, not a juicer, a blender, okay? So the blender is clean. Okay, it's clean. So we have the blender. So now I'm going to just pop the blender at the back. Let me put these back in there. So, alright, so that's the blender. First ingredients in, I'll be using the Guinness. Alright, so that's the Guinness. So I'm going to open the Guinness, okay? Alright. right. So whenever you open a bottle, always use your finger and check the top before you use it, or before you put your mouth on it. You use your fingers and you check the top, and it feels good. So that means that it didn't break and the bottle didn't chip down into the Guinness, the liquid. Okay, so now I'm going to be pouring it in the blender. Alright, so that is it. It's now in the blender. I'm gonna make sure everything come out of the bottle. Alright, it's empty now. So that is the Guinness. And the second thing is our Supligen. Check that the lid is not open, because this is a creamy drink, so you make sure that the lid is not open, and then you open it yourself. So you open it like this. Okay, all you need to do is just open it like that, and then you're going to be pouring it in. Alright, yes man, I'll make sure say everything is out, just like that. Now, if we had the oats, our oats would already be in, but we're not using oats. So now I'm going to be putting some milk in. Alright, I don't want it too sweet. You can pour it like this, guys. See? I think that's absolutely okay. If you want more, you can add. If you want less, yeah. Now we're gonna pour some vanilla in. Guys, normally like measurement, but maybe you know when to hold up your hand. I think that is perfect. I tip a tiny bit of salt in my Guinness punch, just in case anyone, sort of maybe semi-lactose intolerant, you can tolerate it. I've got the cinnamon here, so I'm going to pop a bit of cinnamon in. Now I need to add the nutmeg. So I purchased whole nutmeg in Tesco, and this is how comes Tesco want me to take it like that? So that's a whole one, and it already out of the shell. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just grab the grater and I'll grate this. So the grater is clean, my friend. So I'm just going to grate, and I don't want it to drop in it. So I have to be careful. It is grating, you see, you can see. And then you pour it out in there like that. You can put a tiny little bit, but I think I'm gonna let that be enough. So we can put the back in there, and yeah. So I don't know if I should add water to this, but I don't think I'm going to add any water to it. What I'm going to do, I'll use this spoon, stir it up a little bit, and then I'll give it a little blend, Yeah. So this is a punch, and it's good for you when you sort of yeah, all right. It's good for you when you sort of complete like a hard shift at work. So I'll pop it in the blender. Just gonna pop it in the blender and blend it, okay? That's fine now, and it's ready. So if you want to have a drink now, you can put some in a glass with some ice and you can drink. So I'm gonna pop some in a glass now, and my friends are back, so I'm gonna have a little drink for you guys. I found some ice, so I'm gonna pop a few bits ice in. Alright, I'm gonna set some ice. Oh gosh, that nearly broke the glass. Let's check to see if the glass is broken. It is not. Alright, so that is our glass. So we're gonna pour some of the drink in and we're gonna taste it for you guys. Wow, see, it's that sort of creamy drink. Ah, Lord of mercy, I didn't want so much, you know. I'll put this rest in the fridge for Jay and anybody who pop by. They can have it. So yeah. So that is the drink. I'm gonna just use, guys, I'm just gonna use my spoon and just stir it up a little bit like that. You know? Yeah, man. Yeah. So I'm gonna have it for you guys. So cheers, my friend. If you try this at home, please let me know. It's very good. It's energy. It's for your energy. It's an energy booster. It's very nice. Oh my goodness. You can taste a little bit of the Guinness in it, like a bittery taste of the Guinness, and then a little bit of Supligen and the condensed milk and the vanilla and the nutmeg and everything blending, and it's very creamy and nice. It is Please try it at home. Anyway, guys, I'll show you my dinner at the end of before the video ended. But thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I love you guys so much. And if you comment, I'll post your comment in the next video. So please do comment, because I'm looking forward for your comment in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe bell, like, share, tell a friend, turn your post notification on. Click also that when we upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for making it E and J Lifestyle Farm. Cheers. For my dinner.